that is a wrap.
Yes.
We've been out here for how long now? What time is it?
Yeah.
We've been out here for 5 hours, and we just shot something absolutely amazing that I guarantee you nobody else in the Charlotte area has done yet.
Oh no. I mean, the whole fashion film concept to begin with is not really thought about around here anyway, but it is like, to me, like working with a creative team like this is so fulfilling.
Is it okay that I'm touching the dress?
See, that's, yes.
What was that?
Please tell me somebody got that. You
Oh,
got
I
it?
got it.
Because there is going to be a blooper reel for this shit. It's not just about like what we're going to get out of this and like what the final product is. But being able to work with like the models and the behind the scenes and it's just been like really amazing. I came to Lawrence with the concept of shooting clothing from my vintage store of all things, but I wanted to do it in a very different way, and I knew I didn't just want your typical boutique shots. We're vintage. We have that like that passion, that just that history behind us. So I said, let's do fashion films, and of course he rose to the occasion.
It's so hard to get them centered because of this wind.
I think it's fine. I think it's an incredible shot. If you saw our first fashion film, you just knew how epic that was. And then this whole concept was like, oh yeah, we shot Beck.
Yeah.
And then we did Cosmo Gypsy, which is a beautiful video. I will never, ever, ever forget that being our first Cosmo Gypsy video. And then the whole thought was this dark struggle with light, but more dark struggling with dark. And it came across as like this. I think the inspiration was like the Chanel video with American Horror Story, like mixing Coven with Chanel. And I mean, I think we did it.
Yeah. I mean, using the drone was an absolute maddening thing because of the wind, but
yeah,
I think overall we got the shots.
Yeah.
And once I get this in post, we're gonna have something. Same thing. Burn the camera. I'm right in front of you.
Okay.
It's rolling.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Man, I love that. I liked when it didn't look like she was just
Walking.
holding a can.
Well, I was. My
Blair Witch. Love that.
With the hair.
The hair. That was.
That's what gives a story cam its beauty. It's like it looks like
when you actually see the hand.
Yeah.
Use your legs.
Move your legs.
Use your legs. If you want a fashion film, this is the only way to go. Like our team, this is what we are. We're a team. We're a family now. This fashion family right here. We have models. We have hair, makeup. We've got video. We've got your behind the scenes. We've got still shots, stylists, wardrobe. I mean, you name it. Let us create a fashion film for you. We're creatives that need a home, and that home could be you.
Hey, I like that.